Hi everyone, welcome to Qian's Quest. Recently, I visited Vienna, Austria. It's such a life-changing experience, not only because it's amazing food, its breathtaking concert, and its beautiful cathedral, but by accident, I found this drink. I love it so much that I've been drinking it every day since I came back. So I cannot wait to share with you the recipe. It's actually not something fancy, and you might have heard about it before. It's cucumber and mint infused water. I know it sounds simple, but you may not know the benefit of it. Mint is well known for its cooling sensation, but its benefit is way beyond that. More and more evidence has shown that mint supports your digestive system. There are a lot of functional compounds in mint. Some are more water-soluble, but some are more soluble in lipid or fat. So when you put mint in water, you are extracting all these water-soluble beneficial compounds, such as vitamin C, some minerals, and a lot of phenolic acid, which are known for their antioxidant capacity. Several studies actually shown that the water extract of mint can support the production of bile, and we know that bile is secreted in our small intestine to digest fat. Cucumber is also rich in antioxidant compound, vitamin C, and a lot of minerals. So when you put the mint and cucumber together, not only you get this amazing aroma, but you get all the great benefits. And guess what? When you have this flavorful water, you don't need any sugar-added drinks. It's such a great replacement for sugar beverage in the summer. And it's so easy to make. It literally takes you 2 minutes. So first of all, you want to wash the mint leaves. Wash them really well, because whatever on the surface of the leaves, it's gonna end up in the infused water. You're just gonna put the leaves in a jar or pitcher. I usually use half or 1/3 of a cucumber. That's it. Now I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. After 1 or 2 hours, then it's gonna be ready. All right, it's been 1 hour. I can't wait to drink this now. You get the strong aroma of both mint and cucumber. It's so soothing to my throat. Have you made yours? If you'd like to know more about nutrition and healthy living, make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave your comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Cheers!